in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cameron County and deep South Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms producing quarter-size hail and damaging 60 miles per hour winds from Olmedo to 14 miles west of Olmedo, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include La Paloma, Los Indios, San Pedro, Rangerville, West Brownsville. Severe thunderstorms can produce wind speeds strong enough down trees and power lines and damage or destroy mobile homes and outbuildings. Persons outdoors or on vehicles should seek safety inside a sturdy building until the storm passes. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report tornadoes and violent clouds, winds of 58 miles per hour or higher, or the size of pennies or larger, and any wind damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.
Closer to the center and eastern part of Brownsville. So if you live in any of these areas, we're going to do a storm track.
The National Weather Service